Okay, so hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another banger. So basically today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys a couple different hairstyles you can do if you have locks. I know a lot of people don't know a lot of easy hairstyles to do. My locks are pretty much medium to long, so I'm going to show you guys a couple hairstyles you can do, and I hope you guys rock them the same way I do. Period. Period. Period.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings